How to run Instagram ads for business in 2024 Instagram ads. Welcome to our guide on running Instagram ads for your business in 2024. Instagram continues to be one of the most powerful platforms for businesses to connect with their audience. Let's dive into how you can create effective Instagram ads to grow your business this year. Step 1. Set clear goals. First and foremost, you need to define what you want to achieve with your Instagram ads. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? Setting clear goals will help you create targeted ads and measure their success accurately. Step 2. Understand your audience. Knowing your audience is crucial. Use Instagram Insights to gather data on your followers' demographics, interests, and behaviors. This information will help you tailor your ads to resonate with your target audience, increasing the chances of engagement and conversion. Step 3. Choose the right ad format. Instagram offers various ad formats, including photo ads, video ads, carousel ads, story ads, and reel ads. Select the format that aligns with your campaign objectives and resonates with your audience. For example, if you want to showcase multiple products, carousel ads are a great option. Step 4. Create compelling visuals. Instagram is a visual platform, so high-quality visuals are essential. Use eye-catching images and videos that reflect your brand's identity. Ensure that your visuals are not only attractive but also relevant to your audience and message. Step 5. Write engaging captions. While visuals are crucial, don't overlook the importance of captions. Write captions that are engaging, informative, and include a clear call to action, CTA. Encourage users to take the desired action, whether it's visiting your website, making a purchase, or following your account. Step 6. Use hashtags wisely. Hashtags can increase your ad's visibility. Use relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience, but avoid overloading your caption with too many hashtags. Aim for a balance of popular and niche hashtags to maximize your reach. Step 7. Set your budget and schedule. Decide how much you want to spend on your Instagram ads. You can choose a daily budget or a total budget for the entire campaign. Additionally, select the duration of your campaign. Instagram allows you to set start and end dates or run your ads continuously. Step 8. Monitor and optimize. Once your ads are live, it's essential to monitor their performance. Use Instagram's analytics tools to track metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. Analyze this data to understand what's working and what's not. Make necessary adjustments to optimize your ads for better results. Step 9. A/B testing. A/B testing involves creating multiple versions of your ad to see which performs better. Test different visuals, captions, and CTAs to find the most effective combination. This will help you refine your strategy and improve your ad performance over time. Step 10. Stay updated with trends. Instagram constantly evolves, and so do its advertising features. Stay updated with the latest trends and features to keep your ads fresh and relevant. Experiment with new formats like Instagram Reels and explore emerging trends to stay ahead of the competition.